You guys are a dream. You look like a fairy tale couple. What's your outfit inspo for tonight?
Sa akin, wala akong binigay na pegs sa design. Feel ko binis lang nila sa personality ko. Full of simplicity. Yeah.
Hindi ball gown and gusto ko lang mag-spark. Magaling lang talaga yung designer ko. Thank you, Miss Rosie.
Very stunning.
And yes, my stylist, Miss A. Hi, Miss Adria. Thank you so much.
What's your outfit inspo for the night? Because you're looking so regal, so beautiful.
We try to stay elegant and classy while being simple. So that's what we went for. We really just focused on the color. That's where we popped lang talaga. And yeah, this is designed by Carl Arcusa and styled by Bea Guerrero. And I'm also wearing royal gems. Yeah.
You look like a fairy. Very demure. What's your outfit inspiration for the night?
Oh, my outfit inspiration for the night is about flowery floral dress and the demure lady of the night.
Demure lady of the night. Gusto ko yun ang tawag natin kay Colette for the rest of the night. You look like you just stepped out of a set of Bridgerton. What's your inspiration for your outfit for tonight?
My inspiration is blooming flowers.
Right, my inspiration is our national flower, Sampaguita.
Sampaguita. Wow, that's a good detail to show. Gorgeous, gorgeous pair.